going on, everybody? A little bit of a different video today. So today I got to wash my car. It is absolutely filthy. So I got everything set up. Probably gonna do just the hydro suds, just to give it a quick little wash the wheels. I'll probably wash the engine bay too, because it was pretty filthy from last time and working on it, doing the headlights and stuff. But after that, I'm gonna go through and show you guys a little bit more detail of how I slimmed the sea lights and how I blacked out the turn signals. We were trying to get, you know, both times when we made both videos, we were trying to finish up towards the end of the day, so we didn't really give you the best instructions, but I thought once it's cleaned, I might go take some pictures today. It's nice and cloudy, so good lighting. And so I'll probably talk to you guys through that and let you know what I did. So I'm gonna set you guys up, probably do a little time lapse, and we'll get going. Alright guys, we're all done. I'm gonna just finish cleaning up, and then we'll go for a quick little drive. And I'll show you guys the sea lights and the turn signals. Just cleaned up, grab a little lunch. So I noticed when we did the headlight video and everything was done, we really didn't show you guys in depth how we slimmed out the sea light. So what I mean by that is, see this sea light diffuser? What I did is I taped off this part all the way to the tip and then all the way down. So I taped this off so that when the sea light was in there, it only lights up this part anyways, but this part was still clear. When we should have Kevin's car, I'll mention it next time. But so I spray painted this so that this is all black, so that it looks slimmer in there compared to all this being clear. And then obviously blacked out the side marker. Now I just like the way that looks so much better, especially when it's on. It just looks so good. So this is what the headlights look when they're on. You can see how the light is perfectly in there, makes it nice and slim. It just looks so fresh. Oh, I love it. And then for the turn signals, obviously I disconnected them. So what I wanted to do was, I didn't want them being chrome back there. With this being black, I'm gonna get the fog light tint overlay from Premium. So I wanted to do them anyways, but I didn't want the reflector. So what I did was, I don't know if you guys can see that, but the bulb is black. May not be able to see it, but so I spray painted the bulb because the bulb was orange. And then what we did was we found this Zeep purple cleaner, and then I just poured it in there. I used like a toothbrush just to, instead of get my hand in there, and just push the toothbrush around, and it just literally wipes the chrome right off. So now it looks nice, sleek, and black. So I just wanted to go through and show you guys that. Only other thing in the front, I think I'm going to do the JDM grill soon. Although I did catch a rock right here, then it broke a little piece. Doing a lot of highway driving. So once I do that, I think the front will be done. And then next up, I think I'm gonna go for the, I'm gonna go interior. I'm gonna do some, I think I'm gonna do the Chicane head unit. I'm gonna do new speakers. I haven't decided what speakers yet, but I'm gonna do that. And then once that's all done, I might go power, but I might not. We're gonna have a video soon of why I might not do any power upgrades and my reasoning for that, and why I might slow down the build a little bit, not go too crazy like I really want to do wheels, but might wait, and there's a reason for that. So we're gonna do a video soon on why I'm gonna do that. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you guys like the build, go out and check out all the other stuff we've done, the headlights, everything else. Go check out Kevin's car. And if we haven't hit 500 yet, make sure you go and go comment on the 500 subscriber video. We're gonna be picking a winner soon. We're less than 100 away. Once we do that, you'll get something free. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.